So there's a maniac outside of our house right now, pointing their lights at our house, honking and flashing, and going crazy right now.
Should I call someone?
I'm recording this because I don't know what to do. What if they're trying to attack me?
Right? What the hell is going on?
I don't know. They're causing a ruckus. Very loud in the neighborhood. They're still honking.
This neighbor is like, are you okay? Look at this neighbor's walking over. What the hell is going on?
I don't know. I'm recording this just in case something bad happens.
You could just record everything. I'll talk to them if they come to the door.
Sounds good.
Ridiculous.
That's my phone going off for anyone watching this. Here comes the neighbor. Alright, you got this, Lauren.
Anywhere. What is going on? Hi. Yes.
She says it's out, the gate's open, and it was chasing her in her yard.
No, it's right here in a crate.
Okay, I'm just asking.
No problem. Okay.
Okay, thank you.